Buying bonds on Interactive Brokers is easier than most people expect, but the menu system can feel confusing the first time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to search for bonds, compare yields, and place your order. So you can start by opening your IBKR client portal. This is the simplest interface for buying bonds. Then on the left side, click Trade, then select Fixed Income. You'll see a full bond marketplace with categories like treasuries, municipal bonds, corporate bonds, and more. If you want something specific, use the search filters at the top to choose maturity length, yield, and credit rating. For example, if you want a US government bonds, click Treasury, scroll through the list and pick the maturity date and yield you prefer. When you find the bond you want, click on it to open the order window, and then press on Buy. You'll now see the order ticket. Now, unlike stocks, bonds on IBKR are entered using face value. Most bonds trade in denominations of $1,000, so if you want 2 units, enter 2,000 as the amount. And then you choose the order type and set your limit price. When everything looks correct, click on Submit. And that's the full process for buying bonds on Interactive Brokers. If this helped, feel free to explore any of the other IBKR tutorials on the channel, and thanks for watching.